The CLT Passive House, the best wooden house in Jeju Island, the most beautiful island in Korea, is under construction. YMK Construction Ltd is the best CLT Passive House contractor in Korea, and it is almost the only CLT Passive House contractor in Korea. The CLT Passive House, which is constructed with engineering wood cross-laminated timbers, is called the answer to future wooden houses. CLT is stronger than steel or concrete, is an engineering wood that has innovatively improved the shrinkage, expansion, distortion, and fire resistance that are vulnerable to existing wood. Since the CLT Passive House is constructed by the panelizing construction method, the CLT panel is precisely cut as the house was designed in the factory and assembled quickly on site. For this reason, it is possible to reduce labor costs and construction costs, so it has the effect of killing two birds with one stone. The house in this video you see today is about 90 square meters, including the attic, and the assembly work you see in the video was done in just 4 days. YMK Construction Ltd can build CLT Passive House in all parts of the world and offer the most competitive construction cost. For real estate developers, contractors, and individual prospective builders based overseas, please send us an email to YMK Construction Ltd and we will consult you in detail. Our company's email address is ceo@ymkgroup.co.kr. Thank you.